What's up, y'all? It's been a minute. I do apologize. I've been going through a lot of stuff. So y'all, just a little brief synopsis before I start. Y'all, I do got some scratches and, you know, things of that nature. I got into a fight. I don't specifically want to talk about that. I don't want to talk about who I fought. I don't want to talk about what the fight was about. But I did get into a little squabble, a little tussling match. And the person pulled my wig off, y'all. So my edges, the ones that I was growing back, y'all, they are obsolete right now. It feels like they're not there. So y'all, don't be in the comments talking about my edges. Like, so if there's any, you know, fine men's out here who are gonna be watching this video and, you know, watching it because you like, oh, you know, she kind of cute, I want to see what she look like without that wig, go ahead and get off this video because this is not for y'all. I actually have started my lock journey. Let me see if I can pull one of these bad boys out. I did braid them down already, but look, y'all, I got me a little dread, a little lock. I'm gonna put it back. But I got them corn rolled into 4 different little corn rolls. So y'all can see what that look like. All right, so I'm gonna start by getting some alcohol on a paper towel. I'm just gonna clean my hairline. Dang, staying tight. Got some glue. All right, so for these difficult corners, like right here, just put a little tiny dab of glue.
Yeah.
And then now that the Got2b glue is dry, I'm just gonna put a layer of glue.
Glue?
Okay.
Mommy, why you put some glue like that?
Why I put some glue like that?
Yeah.
So it can stay on. This is the hair that we're gonna be using. It's from Bios. I feel like that's how you say it. Right there. This is the wig.
Buddy, what is the video?
It's my video.
It's my video too.
No, it's not. It's mine. This is the wig. This is what the top looks like. This is what it looks like. Oh, the hair is really soft. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots on the closure. It does come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, but I like to do a little extra just so it can look super, super, super lifelike. And then of course it has the HD lace, which you can tell because it's very tethered at the end. All right, y'all, so he wants to be in the video so bad, so.
And just press the video.
Do what he said, press the video.
And press the subscribe.
Yeah, say press the like button.
Press the like button.
Press the subscribe button.
Spit up. Just subscribe the button.
Yeah, what he said. All right, so this feels like it has been drying for about 30 years now. I'd be so scared I'm gonna cut my skin because, oh my gosh, these scissors are so sharp. Oh yeah, get it, be. Ooh. All right, so now that I've bleached the knots and it's dried, this is what it's looking like. It's tight. All right, I'm just gonna put some right here. Come on now. Don't do me like that. Damn, that's a lot. It's probably too much. Hey y'all, I'm excited. After this glue dries for about 5-10 minutes, I'll be back. Sprinkle some spritz. Alright, I'm gonna get some of this lace tints in the color macchiato because obviously I didn't let the glue dry until it was transparent. So I'm just gonna pull it up right there. I like to cut in zigzags so that the hairline don't just look like a straight line. You can tell, you know, where it begins and ends. Okay, I'm getting some more spritz for that little part right there. Oh yeah, the beat, the blend, the whatever you want to call it. But yeah, y'all, this is literally giving Scalp. I do love this company. I literally only buy my Amazon wigs from this company because I trust them so much. Like all the wigs that they have sent me, not sent me because I definitely bought all of these with my money. All the wigs that I have bought from them have been like literally so good. I'm about to take a shower and go to sleep because I'm really tired. But yeah, peace. This is the next day. I wet the top. It's so freaking soft, y'all. I didn't even wash it or condition it. Of course, I washed the top part and conditioned the top part, but it came with new smell. It's so full and it's not even all the way dry yet. And look at how full it is. Like, this is so freaking cute. This is the closure. It's giving Scalp. It's giving Scalp. Like, that's crazy. I can zoom in that much. Like, you can see my skin bumps. Look at these. What's all right? Look at these. Like, this hair is everything. It's not hair more. But yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see y'all in the next video.